So to continue with the light box, as I mistakenly shut it off, so I've got this translucent, then it'll light up, and then we've got the next logo on different colors here. But I think it'll be pretty cool. And I'm going to do, make it a music box, a clock. With GT's help, I could do all kinds of fun stuff. So, I'll go ahead and bring this back over. And I think we'll call it a wrap. And I'll have some unboxing. I'll kind of just grab my cane here so get around a little easier. So I've got this latest technology to demo for you guys. You could even call it the QB. Look at that. Interesting. So we're going to be demoing the smart portable TV here. And it's a touch screen. I could cast from my phone. I'm not sure which operating system it's running. And we've got the smoke dissipator that'll work for both the Bamboo Labs laser edition, which should be coming in the next few weeks. It's going to be a 40-watt laser, and we're going to have a showdown between it and X-Tools. Shout out to Bamboo Labs for sending me a bunch of these filaments to check out. And I'm getting, a little bit of a discount. Hoping to get full sponsorship from some of these guys once I get a little better at this. And we've got the Dreamy. So we're going to have this little robot rolling around too. So stay tuned. Things are getting a little crazy at the black hole. And I've got these rubber mats that should work out by my spa pool area to keep people from slipping and sliding, and, falling on their butts. And then you got those by Viver. And I can actually, because they're portable and, can just snap them up and down, I can put them on my deck out here that we built. So this is a nice deck we built over the years to help with some of my friends in construction. I drew up the designs in CAD. And we've got the plants going and a little tree we planted. And so once the automated sprinkler system comes in, it's really neat. I can actually pinpoint down to the flower. And it just kind of aims. We got these nice hanging baskets that Lori picked up the other day, my assistant. So should probably give them a good water today with this neat collapsible hose. It's pretty amazing. It's like a 50 or 75 foot hose collapses down to that. All right. I'll even put my ugly mug in here. How about that for you guys? In closing, I've got my little headlamp. All right, stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. Peace out. My name's Rob Blessin. Feel free to like and subscribe. Well, this was the former tool for moving heavy equipment. Now I got a nice little rolling cart I'll have to show you guys.